welcome back to another video on my channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Cherie-AEJFCNUX. Welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing if you're into beauty related videos and monthly box subscription. So today is about Boxycharm BoxyLuxe. I will have a link down below again for you guys to go check out BoxyLuxe and all the other Boxycharm boxes. You do have to be, I think, already subscribed to Boxycharm to probably to get on the Boxycharm BoxyLuxe waiting list. You might want to hop on that soon, girl. What are you waiting for? Look how big it is. This is way big than the first two you saw me showing you guys. So this is the big box. Open it up. This is exactly how everything in this box was like a rose color theme. This makeup bag, it's like a rose gold color. You open it up. I'm gonna open it up because it's like pink in the inside and it says Boxycharm. Next item I'm just gonna pick up. I already wore these like 3 times already. These are the Lily lashes. It's the limited edition for us and it's in Gaia. One just came loose. Let's see. I love these. These look really good on. So I don't know if they will be, it just says limited edition lashes Fox Mink. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure they got very similar. It's a popular brand, Lily Lashes. Those lashes personally retail for $24.99. So the next product I'm going to pick up, it is from the brand It Cosmetics, and it's the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. It's an anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate. It says it's for all skin types. So I definitely agree with that, but here's the product. I'm trying to get it really good. So this is what the jar looks like. It's very heavy. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, but I have used it up. Look, I've used it up. It took me 3 months to use this up. And I'm about to cry. And this product, I ain't even gotta read it. I already know. It retails for $48. This product right here. It's really good. It's worth the money. I will be repurchasing. It's that good. Like, seriously. That cream is really good. That was a great thing they put in this box. Next product I'm going to pick up is a lipstick from Becca. I don't know if you can see that. And it is in the shade Sherbet. It has C on there. It's like a pink color. I've worn this a couple of times already. And it clicks together. So that's what it looks like. Has the words Becca on the side right there. So this is the color. That's the actual color how it looks in person right now. That pink right there. Let me just tell you about this lipstick. It's called the Ultimate Lipstick Love, and it's by the brand Becca. It is valued, retail price is $24. This lipstick is very moisturizing, so it's very true to being a moisturizing lipstick. It does last long, so this is a really good lipstick. I would not pay $24 for a lipstick though. The next product I'm going to pull out and show you guys is this, let me see if I can get it to show again. This is the brand, it's from their brand Iconic. So that's a pretty, Iconic London. That's a pretty good brand that's pretty popular. So I have used this like once or twice, not a lot. It has a mirror, which I do like the mirror in here though. Has a mirror. This part you open up and it has the product inside. So it has like dark and light. And then this right here has a spoolie side and a sharp side to really get in there and do your brows. It's okay. It's not bad at all. So I'm going to read a little bit about this product. It's called the Eyebrow Cushion. It gives your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. It is a 2-shade liquid brow compact. Allows for fuller looking brows with half the effort, which that is true. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, true, while the angle brush makes for precise application each time. So this eyebrow cushion, compact eyebrow cushion, retails for $40. This right here, $40. So the next product I have is this, try to see if you guys can see it or no. It's a brush set. This is the Moda brushes. It's the powder and soft glow kit. This retails for $29.99. So let's actually pull this out the box because the box does not give it justice whatsoever. So let's get these out. So I'm gonna be able to use them after this video. Okay, so this is what they look like. You see the Moda, where's the icon? How it looks. So these are very fluffy. Very fluffy. So I can't wait to use these. These are gorgeous. As you can tell, they look way better out the box than on the box packaging. But this one's supposed to be for like highlight. And this one I think is supposed to be for like bronzing or blush or something like that. But they're both gorgeous. And again, like I said, they retail for, oh, wrong. It's still a lot. For $29.99 for these two brushes. Product I'm gonna pull out. So these are nail polishes. Okay, look right there. Love these. So this is from the brand Deborah Lippmann. They last really long without chipping. Like, these are the colors though. I'm trying to get close. So this one's like a metallic glittery color. I'm gonna try to zoom in. You can't really tell, but that's that one. And then this one is like a mauve, like a nude mauve kind of color. So these are really nice. Okay, wait, yeah. So these, like I said, last quite a bit. They are definitely awesome. They're so awesome. I went and looked up the brand, like, oh, this is a really good brand, but they're really expensive when I went online and looked them up. It's in the colors Odana and Modern Love. The mauve one is the one that's Modern Love, and the Odana is the one that's more glittery and shimmery. This set retails for $20. I think individually they're like $20-something full size individually on the website when I went to the website. So I was like, I'll just stick to the Boxycharm. I think you have the choice of getting this, or if you wore like fake nails and stuff and you don't wear nail polish, then I think you, instead of getting nail polish, you got the like nail kit, like with the nail oil, cuticle oil or something like that to take care of your nails. So this product right here is the Wonder Beauty. You can see it. So this is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Light Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34. Now I'm not gonna read all into it, but I mean it's really a big old paragraph to read all into this. But I am almost done with this product. I have used it quite a bit. I do feel like it does help with brightening. I love the color. It's like a light sheer. Like, let me show you guys what it looks like. So let's bring that down so you see. It's like a shimmery gold shine. So this was nice. I would not go and pay $34 for this though. But this was really nice to use because I love face masks. It has a nice clean scent. But yeah, love it. It's really nice because it dries, like I said, that sheer light pink color as a mask all over your face and you peel it off. But this was great, a great thing to have in the box. Next product that I have in this box is from the brand Cover FX, and this is a Perfector face palette. It retails for $45. Cover FX right here, yeah, right there. Then you open it up, it has a big old mirror right here. So it has, let's bring it down. So this palette has a blush, a brightener, a finishing powder for glowing. It has two highlighters actually. It has a contour also as well. So it has a lot of stuff in this. So yeah, so I can't wait to try this out. The colors looks pretty good. So you can never have too much like eventually you'll run out of highlighters and stuff. Last product I have in the BoxyLuxe box. So there was like four different palettes that you could have gotten. I actually got the one I wanted, which was the Night Master, and it is an eyeshadow palette, and it is in 15N. It says bend the rules. So let's pull it out. So as you can tell, it's from the brand Morphe, which I'm really excited. It's my first Morphe palette product, period. So it has a huge mirror, has all these gorgeous shades right here. So actually, I'm gonna actually turn this down so you guys can see the colors. Look at those colors. You got some shimmery colors, some purples, some darks. So it really truly is like the Night Master palette, because if you're going out, you're gonna 9 times out of 10 rock some dark shades for night. So love this palette. So this palette retails for $16. It's actually not that bad. So in the future, I would see myself purchasing a palette this size from Morphe. So that's not a bad price at all. I don't feel like it is like over dramatic or anything. And these are gorgeous shades. So I will have the link down below if you are interested in learning more about it, about the BoxyLuxe, and about getting on the waiting list. I will leave that link down below, okay? Like go sign up or go look into it and plan on when you're gonna sign up. Like, this is for you. I'm hooking y'all up, okay? So guys, that was everything in this box. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I found it very helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up. I will be coming back to show you guys what I get in my next month, my June BoxyLuxe box, so stay tuned. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Well, no, I can't. I'm sorry. I just look so light right now. Like, I look so light right now. On social media. Oh. So this is what, wait, just do that intro again just in case. Was in, anyways, $24.99. That's why I love Boxycharm, because ain't nobody got money like that to be just splurging on little bitty pieces here and there. No. Nope, nope, nope. Not Cherie. Never gonna pay that much for lipstick, okay? Just tell you guys right now, okay? You know that about me. That's the first thing you're gonna know about me. I'm not spending that much money. So it's the Morphe brush set. No, I said that way wrong. Excuse me, guys. Okay.